The HyperX SoloCast's LED ring indicates mute status, with red for muted and off for active. If it's not lighting up, the most common culprits are power issues or outdated firmware. The LED requires stable power from the USB connection, 5 volts at 100 milliamps. Insufficient power from USB hubs or low-quality ports can prevent it from working. Outdated firmware can also cause the LED to malfunction. Recent updates, especially firmware version 2.1.8 released in October 2025, specifically address LED illumination problems. About 5 to 10% of users still experience this issue, often due to variable USB power sources. Before assuming hardware failure, troubleshoot power and firmware first. First, ensure the SoloCast is connected directly to a USB port on your computer, bypassing any hubs. Try a different USB port to rule out port-specific issues. Ideally, use a USB 2.0 port. If that doesn't work, update the microphone's firmware using the HyperX Ingenuity app, available for Windows, macOS, and mobile. Make sure to do a software scan to check the firmware and update if not up to date. The latest version 2.1.18 is most effective at fixing LED problems. If the problem persists after these steps, the issue may be with the USB cable itself. You may also consider rolling back to version 2.16 via Ingenuity's beta mode for some specific edge cases. If all else fails, it is potentially a hardware fault with the LED module, and you should contact HyperX support.